Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for June 8th on Thursday, Super Thursday. First yesterday, a little bit of angst, mixed action yesterday ahead of the data today. Markets were positive most of the session, had a midday dip, but did bounce back, saw buyers once again. Did not make new all-time highs in the NDX, the NASDAQ 100, which is big news. Ended up positive 1/3% on the day, still continuing to go. The S&P and the Dow were essentially unchanged, but they did bounce back, which was important after a bit of profit taking. Like I said yesterday, there was some additional concern coming into today. Crude oil was the mover, down 5% yesterday, broke below that 48 pivot, and 3 days lows that we talked about, those higher lows, took out that low and went down below Friday's 46.75, drop all the way down to 45.75 low. So support stands way down at 44, which was the beginning of the base, if you remember that May move where we went from 44 up to 52. Gold unwound, some down $5. Now it tried this week to get to 1,300, $12.99, and then $12.98 was yesterday's high. So could not push through, so you're seeing a little bit of unwind there as some of the news that's going to happen today was leaked out and published. We also saw the euro currency steady once again, trying to get above 113, but not so fast. 112.90 has been the high 3 days in a row that it tried to make that push but could not. All right, back to Super Thursday. Today we've got the elections in the United Kingdom. We've got the EBC announcement of their rate policy, and then obviously the big deal is testimony on Capitol Hill. Looking at the markets right now, we've got kind of mixed action, giving up some of the gains. A little bit earlier, the S&P was up about 5, now it's up 2. Looking at the NDX looks like it pushed to new highs, and right now we are up only about 3 or 4 points, so giving back some of that, and the Dow right now is up 16. Looking at the other markets, crude oil, some new relative lows, down about 25 cents. Now it's bounced back. It's only down 5 cents, 45.65. So those are some new lows. I think it got down to 45.30 or so here this morning. So that's something to keep an eye on. Gold right now is down $14. Some unwind there, 12.80. I guess a sign of stability. The VIX is actually down 15 cents at 10.24 after getting up close to $11 yesterday. It traded within the $10 range the whole session. And looking at these other markets, the British pound is essentially unchanged. Use that as a gauge of the election results, which will start to filter out later on today. And it's been unable to get above the 130 level in that pound for the last few sessions, and it hasn't been up that high since the 25th of May, though it has been on a little bit of an incline. So to summarize, as the stock market gets started here this morning, we're steady to a bit higher. The S&P is up 2, the NASDAQ's unchanged, and right now the Dow's up 21. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.